What is balancing chemical equations? Balancing chemical equations is the process of ensuring that the number of atoms of each element is the same on both the reactant and product sides of the equation. This is done to conserve mass and satisfy the law of conservation of matter. In a balanced equation, the number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides and the charges are balanced like a seesaw. Why is balancing chemical equations important? Balancing chemical equations is crucial in chemistry and chemical engineering because it ensures that the reaction is stoichiometrically correct. This means that the correct amounts of reactants are used to produce the correct amounts of products. If an equation is not balanced, it can lead to incorrect calculations of reactant and product amounts, which can result in safety hazards, inefficient use of resources, and cost effectiveness issues. Steps to balance chemical equations. To balance a chemical equation, follow these steps. Step number 1. Write the unbalanced equation with the reactants on the left and products on the right. Step number 2. Count the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. Step number 3. Add coefficients, numbers in front of the formulas of reactants or products to balance the equation. Step number 4. Check that the number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides of the equation. Step number 5. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until the equation is balanced. Now we will talk about some common mistakes made when balancing chemical equations. Number 1. Forgetting to balance all elements. Number 2. Adding subscripts instead of coefficients. Number 3. Not checking the final balanced equation. Number 4. Balancing charges incorrectly.